I wanted to share with you a home that we have been remodeling. It's my husband and his brother. So behind me you can see that this has a one-car detached garage, and then we're gonna walk inside, obviously coming in the back door today. And here is a full bath and a laundry area. And then you walk in to the kitchen area and dining room, breakfast nook. We put down the chopping block countertops. What do you think? Do you like it? Yes or no? And it will have a gas stove. And there are 2 bedrooms on this side of the house. And then the master suite with a full bathroom in the hallway. And it also has a pocket door that goes to the master bedroom. That's it. The outside has new vinyl, and it will be on the market very soon here in North Charleston, probably in the 300s. So it's 1,000 square feet. So it's 1,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Have a great day.